Actually, I just remember I have a pet at the DMV. Flash is the fattest guy in there. You need something down, he's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait. They're all sloths? You said it was gonna be quick.
What are you saying it? Because he's a sloth and be fast, so Zootopia anyone could be anything. Flash, flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Hey Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend.
Well, I was hoping you could run the place for us. We are in really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate
Tonight,
number?
Tonight THD03.
Tonight.
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0.
3.
Hey Flash, want to hear a joke?
No.
Sure.
What do you call a three-hung camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
3-hump camel.
three-hump camel?
Pregnant! Ha 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 ha!
Ha 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 ha.
Yes, very funny, very funny. Could you please just focus on the play?
Hey,
Wait.
Priscilla.
Oh no!
Yes. Flash. What do
No! A 3-hump camel! Pregnant! Okay, great, you got it! Good job!
hump here you
Thank you! THD03, THD03
Oh.
is registered to Tangertown Limo Service. The limo to Tangertown, and the limo is in Tangertown! It's in Tangertown!
Way to hustle, but I love you, I owe you.
Hurry, we got to beat the rush hour. It's nice.